Oh, shit.
Yeah, see, we ain't got.
Yeah. There's two stupid people being on this boat. This boat has a lot of holes. There is. You didn't lock that one, and this one open, and that one is very open. Look. So, in a couple weeks, maybe I will help him paint this. He said he wanted to paint it neon green, but not this kind. We'll use brush on it. Neon green, he said, because neon green stand out. So we will paint these. Next project. Next project. He loves to be doing something. So. Oh, and you like the number here, 46.
Yeah, I know.
He loved numbers like that. He loved even number. So.
Put a small leak on it.
Where's this leak? Well, you need to work on that one better.
This floorboard here leaked a little bit.
Oh, you need to put more.
You want to hook it up and go somewhere? Let's go somewhere.
No.
Let's go, baby.
No, baby.
You go put some shorts on and I'll hook the boat up. We'll go play.
Where are you going? It's windy outside. Very windy.
We'll go over there where the fireplace is.
It's very windy though. And then what if it will rain? I can still hear it.
Yeah. Not as bad.
Yeah, that's bad. This person never stopped. I don't know what's going on with him, but look, he's got him a toy again. At least it's cleaner now than the first time you got it.
Yeah.
You gotta fix this. There's a crack right here. Yeah, it's not, but it's only for 2 people though.
Yeah, you can fit people back here. Or one more back there. And you can probably fit 2 in there. 2 in the front, 2 in the back.
Those are nice, cooler.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some fish in there.
Of course, ice too, cause.
Yeah.
Well, hello, and welcome again to another episode of Ocean Breeze Nuts. Right now, we're here in Bayou Chico launching this boat. We are gonna test it. We'll see if it will float. So stay tuned and watch the whole thing. Alright guys, I'm stuck in here. I don't have any sunscreen. And there is a little water came in our paddle boat. And he's getting another paddle. And only one. So I don't know what's going on. If we float or not. If we don't float, then whatever. You know what? I shouldn't trust this. I shouldn't go too far. Because oh my god, and the board that you put in here went up. Oh my Lord of mercy. Look.
It's alright. Because that's not what floats. Lines in there though.
Yeah, it will gonna go under the water, and then it will gonna here. Put it right here.
Now, see, it won't go any deeper than this. Reason being is these pontoons are what's floating. They're solid and they're air full. They're not going to go unless they're leaking.
Guys, we have water.
That's just because we ain't got to go.
No, I'm kidding. Take me back. shit. I don't know why I said, why there's water coming. Look at that. Oh my god. Man, this boat has a lot of holes, but we are so brave to put it on the water. Like seriously, there's a lot of holes.
You think a holes in the right spots.
Like, you're putting my life in danger. As you can see, guys, I always give him a hard time. You know, he loves to do stuff with me, but this time I am sick, but he still wants me to go with him. So that's why I'm always complaining. My anxiety really went up, and I was too scared. We're under the bridge, guys, and there is. You didn't lock that one, and this one open, and that one is very open. Look. If there is a shark, the shark one can get his nuts.
Put shark paddling.
Like, what the heck are you thinking? You said we'll only be under the bridge, and then we're going back. You need to fix this more.
That's on proof to you we ain't sinking. That's where I want to go sheephead fishing anyway. It's right there.
Where?
Under the bridge. I just need to cover it so I can stay out of the sun.
That's why you got your hat.
My leg and stuff like I'm
This one is way better. Look, no, I don't have any problem.
Yeah, you put the fan in the back.
Yeah, you don't need a fan in the front. I am so blessed to have a husband like him. Even though I complain a lot, he still want to do things with me. He still wants me to go with him. I mean, if I'm having my anxiety so much, then that's why sometimes I am scared to do stuff like this. So yeah, I'm blessed.
All I need to do is basically. We go to Chico Island. We go to Chico Island. We're not sinking.
Just look at all that. Ooh.
Let's go to Chico Island.
What Chico Island? We need to go.
Yeah, we're going to go to Chico Island when we get to it.
Huh?
Come on over here.
What Chico Island you're talking
You
about?
know the island over here in Bayou Chico?
That's too far away, man. It's tiring to paddle.
You're such a cute boy. Probably just pull it up on the credit with a rope. I'm pretty sure it's that boat.
Yeah, we're back.
Right,
It floats, but it scared me.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually,
The good thing about snowboard being open, you can just stand up.
you hold the here.
I'm gonna tie y'all. I'm gonna push it back out, tie y'all, and then I'm gonna.
No, let me get up first. Man, I think this is the carver that was parked there in Martinique Marina. Oh my God, look at that. The water's getting to it. Jeez. Out of shape already. The water is in there already. Is there, and then that board is there. We need to take it off. It might fly while we're traveling. You need my help in there, or I'll just stay here. Okay. This is the thing about him. He don't want me to now we are on our way back. It was really a fun day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.